Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to do it on TikTok. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up TikTok app on your mobile phone. So after opening up TikTok app on your mobile phone, you guys have to select the video of which you want to make the duet. Suppose that I want to make duet on this video. So I have to just click on the share icon which is below to save icon. So after clicking on share icon, it will provide you some options. You guys have to select the option which is do it, which is right next to turn off captions. So after clicking on do it, it will take some time. So after clicking on do it, it will provide you this kind of interface. So you guys can see that your video will be on left side and the video which you want to make do it will be on right side. So you guys have to just record the video simply, or you guys can change the layouts by tapping on these icons like this or this. So these are some kind of interfaces you guys can use like this. So after using this kind of layouts, you have to just record the whole video. So after completely recording the whole video, you guys have to just click on the tick icon, and here you guys have to add any text or effects. So after adding text or effects, you guys have to just click on next, and here you guys have to add a caption, and after putting caption you guys have to just tap on post, and in this way you guys can do it on TikTok. So hope you guys would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.